And now, KY3 First Alert Weather.
These clouds over Harrison not looking so welcoming right now, but the good news is for Mother's Day, it'll be cooler, but you won't have those thunderstorms.
Thankfully, if you have brunch plans or if you have dinner plans, you'll be dry by that point. But we're now just seeing the impacts of all the severe storms that came through last night. We're starting to get photos in like this one of trees down. This was in Old Southern Hills. 2 trees, one here and one on the left side of that image, just completely uprooted because of those strong winds which came through. Here in Springfield, got a wind gust of 59 miles per hour. That's enough to do some damage. Reports have been coming in of power outages. Even my apartment lost power last night. But here's the timeline of when that rain's going to clear. So within the next hour or so, the rain's going to clear in the northwest here in Springfield and areas right up along I-44. We're going to hold on to that rain until closer to the noon hour. Then after 12 o'clock, that's when areas to the southeast will start to see that clearing as well. So if you have outdoor plans, just wait until the afternoon to go outdoors and do any of that, because we're going to have that rain for a little while longer. But this is a radar loop over the last 6 hours, and you can see it was just a powerhouse line of storms that came through and merged with some severe storms that formed right along the Missouri and Arkansas border. That produced all of those strong winds, that produced heavy rain and also large amounts of lightning. Still seeing some of the outer rims of that storm with some heavier amounts of rain. Branson currently getting poured on at the moment. The rain is moving to the northeast. Also here in Springfield, we're going to be holding on to that rain again a little while longer. Ava, there was a report that Highway Y was completely impassable because of the high amounts of rain and just water pouring onto the roadway. And then up near Stockton, some cells are developing. They're sub-severe, so they're below those severe limits, but they are capable of producing an occasional wind gust and also some small hail with it. So again, keeping with the rain at least until the 12 o'clock hour. Then we're going to feel the impacts of the cooler air behind the cold front. So we'll stick with the thicker cloud cover today. And I can tell you, we've already reached our high temperature. We reached our high around 4 a.m. this morning. We were in the 70s at that point. Well, now this afternoon, temperatures are going to be in the 50s. So you'll notice the timing. This is 2 o'clock. We're at 54 degrees here in Springfield. Cooler temperatures even found north of I-44. If you're in Harrison or in Mountain Home, you hold on to the 60s a little while longer, but then you also will feel those temperatures dipping down into the 50s this afternoon. And it's going to be a cool night overall, so you want some sort of jacket or extra layer as you head out there for, again, brunch or even dinner plans for this Mother's Day. We're going to be in the low 40s for the overnight low, and then tomorrow we're still trending below average with those temperatures. A cooler air mass is in place. Temperatures are going to be in the 60s for much of this upcoming week. Again, that's below average for this time of year. Normally we're in the 70s by this point, but all because of that front, we are trending cooler. So temperatures, they were warm on the front end of the day before all the rain and thunderstorms moved in. Now they're going to be dropping through the afternoon. So 55 degrees, that's the afternoon temperature. 57 is what you can expect in Arkansas, but they'll continue to drop even from this as we go throughout the evening. And then tonight, dropping down to 43. That's where we bottom out. We're sticking with those gusty winds, and we'll have the thicker cloud cover in place as well. So the rain will start to clear out. We'll be good to go closer to lunchtime. Then tomorrow, cooler, cloudy, no more rain. Tuesday, late Tuesday night, that's when I'm watching for another shower or two. An isolated shower is possible on Wednesday. Does not look to be widespread by this point, but we're trending cooler this week. We warm up by next weekend with more rain.
All right, thanks, Leah.